In this video, I am going to talk about the top 5 must-have Chrome extensions for every Shopify store owner. These extensions will help you with competitor research, analysis, and overall build a better growth strategy for your brand. So let's not waste any time and get started. The first extension on our list is the Koala Inspector. Koala Inspector is like a backstage pass to any Shopify store. Once installed, it reveals hidden details about your competitors, like what apps they use, which theme powers their store, their product catalog, and even their traffic sources. The theme detection feature lets you see the exact Shopify theme a store is using and when it was last updated. You'll also be able to discover the apps your competitors rely on. Koala also offers some discounts on various Shopify apps, which is a great help for beginners. You'll also be able to get traffic insights of your competitor's store. You can check the estimated monthly visits, bounce rates, and where their traffic comes from. The feature that I like the most is that you can export competitor product lists with prices in a CSV format with just a click of a button. They sometimes help with product sourcing as well, however, this is not much helpful. Koala Inspector works on a token system. Free users get 15 tokens per month. Each data pull costs tokens, while paid plans offer unlimited access. With Koala Inspector, you can sneak on any Shopify store and analyze their performance, steal their winning strategies, source their best-selling products, and even benchmark your store's performance against theirs. The free plan gives you 15 tokens per month, which is good enough to test the tools. But to make the most out of this tool, I recommend you to go ahead with the paid plan. At the time of making this video, this Chrome extension has over 500 reviews with an average rating of 4.7, which proves its efficiency. This is my #1 recommended Chrome extension, and since it's available for free, you must give it a try. Alright, the next Chrome extension on our list is the SimilarWeb Chrome extension. SimilarWeb gives you a bird's-eye view of any website's traffic, including Shopify stores. It shows where visitors come from, which keywords rank, and how engaged their audience is. You'll get to see the monthly visits, average session duration, and bounce rate of any store. You'll also see the top organic keywords that are driving traffic to the store. You can see which countries send the most buyers. And you'll also get a breakdown of traffic sources. These details will also help you form your marketing strategy. For example, if a competitor ranks for a specific keyword, you can target that keyword as well. If their traffic comes mostly from Facebook ads, you know where to focus. You can also check if a store's traffic is growing or declining before entering a market. The free version allows you to do 15 searches per month. You can get an extra 10 searches once you sign up for a free SimilarWeb account. But to get more deeper insights and analysis, you might have to upgrade to a paid plan of SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb has well over 3,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.6, which ensures the quality of this extension. Not only Shopify store owners, but every online business owner should use this tool. With that note, let's talk about the next Chrome extension, which is the Evernote Web Clipper. Evernote lets you save and organize anything from the web into searchable notebooks. Whether it's product pages, competitor designs, or anything on their website, you can capture it and save it on your store. With Evernote Clipper, you'll be able to save full pages, screenshots, or just highlights. The tagging system allows you to organize clips by niche, campaign, or competitor. You can also share notes with your team or virtual assistant. There are many ways to use this extension. For example, you can use it to save design inspirations. Basically, you can clip a competitor's product page and then ask your team to replicate its layout. Whenever you find a trending product or a unique marketing strategy, you can save it for later. Similarly, you can store blog topics or ad copy that converts, and then replicate them on your own marketing channels. This Chrome extension is being used by over 2 million users worldwide, and it has over 100,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.7, which is really impressive on its own. They also offer paid plans to their users, but the free plan is more than enough to get going. Alright, now, let's talk about the next Chrome extension. Next up, we have the PP Spy product and competitor tracker. PP Spy specializes in finding winning products and tracking competitor sales. It shows estimated revenue, bestsellers, and even ad campaigns. It offers a huge product database which you can filter by niche, price, or sales volume. It lets you see how many units a product sold last month, identify if sales come from TikTok, Google Ads, etc. It is a great tool for finding viral products before they saturate. You can also analyze competitors' pricing for similar items. And then you can check if a product is worth sourcing or not. Basically, if you are just getting started in your e-commerce store, PP Spy can be a really helpful tool for you. It can help you analyze trends, track your competitors' sales, and find winning products. One thing to note here is that PP Spy is a paid tool, and the pricing starts from $20 per month. I am personally using the advanced plan of PP Spy, as it offers basically everything I need. It is also a bit technical, so you might have to spend some time getting used to this tool. If you want a detailed tutorial on PP Spy, then simply leave a comment below the video and I will make a detailed tutorial on this tool. With that note, let's talk about the last Chrome extension. Last but not least, we have the ColorZilla Chrome extension. ColorZilla is the most user-friendly, full-featured, secure, and reliable color picker and color-related suite of tools. It is one of the most popular Chrome and Firefox developer extensions with over 10 million downloads worldwide. With ColorZilla, you can get a color reading from any point in your browser, quickly adjust this color, and paste it into another program. And it can do so much more. Simply visit any website you want. Next, you only need to hover over a button, banner, or text, and it will grab the exact color code. And then you can use it on your own website or designs. ColorZilla helps you with consistent branding and faster design work. This tool has nearly 4,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.6. These are the top 5 must-have Chrome extensions that every Shopify store owner should use. By the way, I recently created this video where I've talked about the top 7 must-have Shopify apps in Shopify App Store. So if you are interested, just click here to watch that video, and I will see you there.